Meet then agree.
Very well, good morning. My name is Sachin from JPS Academy.
Myself Vishal, also from JPS Academy, and we have prepared this model titled Biosphere Home Farming, based on theme science and society, and which serves in natural resources and their conservation. Our main aim is to construct a model that harvests energy, water and material. Biosphere Home Farming concept generates food and energy while filtering water. The concept supplements a family's nutritional requirements by producing several hundred calories a day in form of food, fruits, vegetables, and algae, or like conventional hydroponic nursery. The concept correlates methane digester that produce heat and energy to power lights. Oxygen is produced by algae and used by plants. Sunlight is captured by this fiberglass. And the concept uses waste water and non-consumable kitchen trash as manure and return food. Then Sachin will explain further.
Now, firstly, I will tell you about which material is being used in our model. We have used the fiberglass so that the sunlight could be trapped and given to the plants in the daytime. We are using the household trash as organic matter. We are having aquarium, algae, and the top two levels are for plants. The plants are producing oxygen by consuming carbon dioxide and sunlight. The main work of algae is to provide oxygen to the fishes, and we are getting overall hundreds of calories a day, and for our work we are getting heat, electricity, each and everything. The organic matter produces methane gas, and electricity is produced by a methane digester which uses the methane gas. The aquarium, we can use the fishes for consuming, for eating. We are getting calories, hundreds of calories in the form of plants, fruits, vegetables. Now let's come to the scope of our model. Our model uses sunlight and organic matter which is used as household trash. It doesn't use any electricity, etc. It produces food which are used by sunlight, that are lettuce, cucumber, shellfish, etc. Our model have been constructed in more than 2 months, and we have spent more than 5,000 rupees on our model. And we have used specific websites such as www.design.philips.com, www.cityfarmer.com. Books we have used, the science magazine we have used in our model, and that is what we want to tell you about our model. If any more queries, then please ask us.